In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into Google Docs, and we'll do this in just about 5 minutes. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and type Google Docs into the search bar. You should see a link to Google Docs in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, now is the time to do so. Enter your credentials to log in and gain access to your documents. Once you're logged in, you can choose to open an existing document where you want to insert the image or create a new document by clicking on the blank document option. Once you have your document open, look at the top menu bar and click on the Insert option. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, hover over the Image option. You'll notice that you have several choices for adding an image into your document. Let's start with the Upload from Computer option. If you have an image file saved on your device, select this choice. A window will pop up to navigate through your files. Find the image you wish to use, select it, and then click Open. This action will insert the image right where your cursor is in the document. If you don't have an image on your device, or are looking for something specific online, you can choose the Search the Web option. A search pane will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you can type in keywords to find an image online. Once you find one you like, click it to select, and then press Insert. For those of you who utilize Google's services, you might have potential images stored in either Google Drive or Google Photos. The Drive and Photos option enables you to access these libraries. Simply browse through your stored images, select the one you want, and it will be inserted into your document. Alternatively, if you have a camera on your device and want to capture something in real time, choose the Camera option. This feature allows you to take a photo immediately and place it directly into your document. Finally, if you have a specific image URL, you can use the By URL option. Copy the URL of the image you want to use and paste it into the designated field. Click Insert, and your image will appear in the document. Once you've selected and positioned your image through any of these methods, click Insert or Open to finalize. And there you have it. Your image is now part of your Google Doc. Feel free to resize or reposition the image as needed to suit your document's layout. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you can easily incorporate images into your Google Docs with confidence.